Welcome to Kiana's Corner. Today, we're diving into a topic that is very personal to me, one I know many of you can truly relate to, and that's blocking out the noise of your past. You know, sometimes people love to bring up your past mistakes, but here's the truth: you're not who you were. You've grown, evolved, and embraced the person you are today. So, how do you stand firm in that truth? Let's talk about it. First, I want to emphasize the importance of protecting your peace. When people try to throw your past in your face, it's often a reflection of their insecurities. They haven't seen your growth, or maybe they just don't want to acknowledge it. But you don't have to take on that energy. Instead, recognize your progress and reflect on how far you've come. I also want to remind you that the only person who needs to be convinced of your transformation is you. You've done the work, you've grown, and no one can take that from you. Yes, you've made mistakes. We all have. But those mistakes are lessons now, and they've shaped the incredible person you are today. So, own your growth, embrace your journey, and finally, stop giving people the power to define who you are by your past. Protect your peace, reflect on your growth, and thrive in the presence because you are not your mistakes. You are your strength, your resilience, and your courage. Thanks for tuning in to Thriving Thursday. I hope today's episode inspires you to block out the noise and focus on your future. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, peace and blessings.